Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today we'll be talking about USD JPY pair and we'll do the Forex analysis for 18th to 22nd August 2025. So let's go straight to our charts. So here I have already opened the chart. First, let's see what happened in USD JPY on Friday. So as you can see, 0.41% negative move, 147.167 was the closing on Friday. So here I'll be talking about what are my expectations for coming week, and also I'll be marking some important support and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. And also I'll be sharing my opinion on what could happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check our weekly chart first. So here let's open our weekly chart. So as you can see in the weekly chart, we can see a bearish candle, a small body with a big upper and lower wick. As you can see, a big upper wick and lower wick, which gives us a sideways momentum for a weekly wise candle. Here stochastic RSI is around overbought area, which is giving us an indication of a negative move. But remember, as we always say, we should not depend only on RSI or other indicators. We should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a one-day chart. So yeah, this is a one-day chart. As you can see, there is already some markings of previous analysis, so I don't think I need to mark any new important support or resistance zone. But if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon for such weekly analysis. So currently let's talk about our closing. So as you can see, 147.167 is the closing. Here the direct support is 147.154. Here the direct resistance is 147.786. After direct support, there is a support of 146.495 and then 145.968. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 140.232 and then 148.679. So these two are the important support and resistance zone which will help you to take better trades on for this week. Also, if you are from India and thinking that how can I trade forex market from India, then I have already shared two prop firm links in the description. You can open your account from there and get funded. I have also given a discount coupon code for the first funded account. So just click on the click on the link and you will see a discount coupon code on below that. Also, if you don't know what is funded account or prop firm, I have already made a dedicated video on what is prop firm, how it works, and what are the rules that you have to follow to get funding. Everything is available on my forex playlist. Do consider checking that out as well. So let's now talk about my opinion in USD JPY for this week. So according to the previous week closing, I'm expecting a negative move or a negative closing for the next week. I'm expecting a closing in this range, that is 146.495 to 147.154. Here this is a big range which is a sideways range, that is 147.154 to 147.786. If the market or the USD JPY pair moves in this range for the week, then there is no trade in this range. I'm expecting a negative move in this range. If you're going for any long position, then only go for a long position only 147.786 gets breached and a one-day candle gets closed above this level. So after this level, we can see a move till 148.232. So overall, my expectation is negative. What are your expectations? Do let me know in the comment section. And if you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.